person. So this creator, I'll put their link down. But this creator made this game, and it looks fun. They created it like a long time ago, and they told me about it, but I never really got around to it because that's the era when I got on it. So I was like, you know what? Why not play it? So I'm playing it now. For a reason. Oh, the furnace bird boy hates the. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa. Okay, what did I do? Wait. Oh, does this regenerate my power? It does. Hello, bonjour. Oh, I'm not scared of you. Who's there? Hello. Hello. I love that new image. I love this imagery. Here. Who's there? I'm not afraid of you. Don't call me pretty boy afraid of. Another YouTuber I hate. Even if I'm not famous, I hate YouTubers. It's a really good thing that to like click the thing to keep up my battery. It's a great feature. Not gonna lie, it's a great feature, but I'm not look. I hate that kind of going on full screen. I don't know what I'm looking for. I haven't seen anything yet. I haven't seen anything at all. I have not seen it. Oh, woo! Fuck you! When you see Bird Girl in the con. Yep. Yep. Oh. What is that? Oh! Close the door when you see. Okay. Uh. Oops. So confused. I see who on. That's probably the person I'm looking for. Hello? Okay, okay. I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. I was just confused about it. I was like, what the fuck? I think I got it. I think I got it. I got it. Well, I have a shocking thing there. I thought I was supposed to like shock him. I'm like, guys! Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, it's not. I closed the door. When you see Bird Girl in the camps, close the door. I was ready. I can. Not because I can't beat it. I can beat it. Give me power. And maybe I didn't click it. Maybe honestly, maybe I didn't click it. Probably I didn't click it. Oh fuck! They give me a heart attack, bitch. I love the little dead bird. It's a little really cute. That's the thing. Oh, one's here. I don't ever be like him. I don't want to be like him. He's a very handsome person, Markiplier. I'm a noob, I promise. Can I not go? I'm great at FNAF. I call me the junior FNAF fan gamer. Fuck off, mate. I adapt easily to games. Don't call me the adapter. I adapt to alcohol and women and men. Adapt to a lot of stuff. Get out of there. 5 a.m. I should be able to make it. Should be done by now, right? Right? Fuck you! If you see a scrape in the hole, just press space and make the room go dark. Okay. I want. Oh, okay. That's what that is. Okay. We'll start off like that. Okay. That's fine with me. Having fun, assholes. Ah, it's such a. Ah, it's so cute. Ah, I fucking love it. So cute. I'll smash. He texts frankly Frank power. I feel like he's the dead creature. This game was suggested to me by a person that actually made it. So they created the game. I don't have the message anymore. But it's a FNAF fan game. I used to play a lot of FNAF fan games back in my days. They were fun. I love playing people's creations. I like to see people. I always liked it. I'll go to a bar and I'm like, yo, chef, trolls that shit. I want to see what you can make. It's so cool what people can make. Like, I think I got in. I think somebody made me a whole drink that was just fully black, and it's fun doing stuff like that. It really is. Playing FNAF fan games is another thing. I love playing fan games. Costs me money, but it's fine. I love giving money away. I like to do. And yeah, I give a lot of money away. I think they drew everything. For stuff for girl. Fuck God, no. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying. God damn it, Jojo, you distracted me. I was on a rhythm. I was on a rhythm. Playing Fallout. Bunny Honey is playing Fallout. What? I play Fallout. Maybe. Maybe. 100% sure. I need to ask him. God. That up. Myself some. Battery booby. Oh, adorable. So silent. Our. Ah, you're not cute. I don't like you. We don't know that. We don't know who could be on. We don't know anybody. I'm not gonna see your message. I want to read your message, but I can't. I'm like mid game, sir, and I want to read it. I really do, but it's so to the corner of my eye, and it's so far away that I cannot read it. But that's the thing. Corner of my eye. I will read it. I will read it soon. I see her message. 5 a.m. That should be all. Hours gray. You're beautiful. All happy in this society I did not create. But I created. Oh no, 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 yes. My question is, why isn't the flashlight centered with I don't think it is. It's a fan game. They're working. If you for how we press shift. Oh, that wastes his power. Oh no. Oh no, that wastes his power. Oh, if I see a stinky boy over there, I love the sounds you make. You sound very like my cum socks in my closet. I love that. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, stinky, sticky or stinky. The machinery are fine and smooth. Just the flash. I just start. Yeah, I can see. I can see what you're talking about. Yeah, I know. That's funny though. It has its own chords. That's what makes it a good FNAF fan game. It has its own chords. Fuck off, man. And it's fun. It's fun seeing what people like that. Stinky boy, sticky or stinky? I don't. Who's there? If I hear stinking sounds, I go over there. Hey, get out of here. Fine, I got the rhythm down. I got the rhythm. I really did get the rhythm. Oh. Ooh, I need power. Hey, what are you doing over there? I start pinching power than anything else. I was forgetting about the power. The power is the number one thing that's always killing me is the power. I am a fucking idiot and I'm a drunk, so why not be 2 and 1? It's fine. It's getting a lot faster now. It's fine. I'm good at fasting things. There. Power, you're not there. Power that ship. Thank you. God, give me power. A lot of power away from me. My pinky's cramping. I didn't exercise today. I didn't come in my socks this week. You're not there. I'm gonna get. Oh, woo! I'm drawing the half pages. Hey, I like the hallway though. It's just like it suits the sticky boy. It really does. Bird click on him. The burger. I wasn't reading. Okay, so I guess that's like more like it's like a Flimper Bird. Like one game I hate to max. One Nights at Flumpies. Oh, how much I hate that game. It's so cute. Oh, there's two of them. Power. Okay, so now if there's a picture of a dog on your screen, you have to click the picture of the dog. Oh, I almost started up content warning. I started content warning. The only downside of this is that it can't go full screen. If it was full screen, it would have been a really great. Like for a fan game, it would have been great. Cause I'm not gonna lie, it's a full screen that's really distracting me right now. Because well, I kinda like stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I really do. And it's really hard to see. And I almost clicked on my other game right now because of it. But I guess it is hard to make. Get out of here! Good game, I really do. I love what this person created, and there's 4 games of these. I'll get out of here. I will read your message. I'll come back when the connection. They're lagging every 10 seconds? Oh, when your connection is like, is my connection lagging? I don't see it's lagging. I make sure to have the top quality $100 Wi-Fi. I like to have. It's so great. Your message always distracts me. Um, very funny. I do love the drawing for the birds though. I love the idea that there's actually about like they come at the same time. I think we have to taste twice because I think that would have been. Would have been a. It's good. I love that bird right there. But that's pretty much it. I don't like that the give up was the photo of the bird. That can ruin up your whole game because you have stuff to do. You have this guy to, attend. And that's what it does. It's that I click on my files and open up something that will fuck up everything else. Not something I can have. The game that I'm trying to survive for my life. Where there's sticky boys coming after me. Get me? And I don't even know how to make the info game. This pretty much it's the only complaint I have. The flashlight thing does not bother me. I actually didn't even notice it. Uh, that's the thing. I love the feature of the to keep it warm. As it gives like fucking hmm, that's that was very unfair. What was it? I just think I didn't have. I just don't think I got the bird on time. I think that's one of his. Yeah. At the door. It was a good run. My last run. It was just that the I was opening. Uh, why is people calling me? Why is people calling me? I can't have stuff. What do you want, Tonya? Mid game, and then my sister decided to call me. Not that shocking. Maybe I had to shock. Away doing a lot of stuff. Yeah, stuff like that. But like, see how that I almost went off my there. Like, if you had a boundary on it, then maybe that would have been different. But like, you don't have boundaries. It's the only downside of the game. Nothing. Horrible. Loot creatures. Of that bro right there. Favorite. Call him Bob. You catch me slacking. Never slack my ass off. Slacking. There's always a bird that looks like Wario. All the games I played out of this creator, always one bird that looks like Wario. I think it's getting more get more doctor, mate. Faster too. Sticky boys going over there. Power's fine, bird. Turn that off. Get the board. Check if he's there. Check if he's there. Check if he's there. Check if he's there. He's not there. Power. Yeah. Oh, there's knight 6. Someone will appear in front of you. When it does, you still summon. Oh.